Hello, good morning, and welcome to this series of functions in Excel. The rationale behind this is to ease access to functions in Excel and prevent people from having to watch a long series of video before eventually finding a particular function which they want. Most of the videos here will last maximum of 5 minutes with enough detail that can help you use just any Excel function you want to use. Great. Next, after looking at the total expenses for each year, we may want to determine the average expenses for Mary's school supply. This can be done by either determining the average expenses as per year or the average expenses as per item. So we will determine the average expenses as per year, expenses per year. So we'll get that by simply using equal to average from be careful not to select our already determined total expenses. So averagely, this is how much Mary spends per item in 2015, which we can drag across our table. Yes, we may also want to determine how much she spends averagely. Averagely per product across the years. So we'll have average. This time around we are determining the price average, the average of the price variation as per product. Yes, this is averagely a backpack cost about $11.51 from 2015 to 2022. We can equally drag this down. Yes, and Lunchbox, for instance, costs averagely about $18.10 within that period of Mary's school year. Great. All right. Thank you.